Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are camping in Prescott National Forest and we just ran into town so we can fill up our tanks and flush them out. But last night we played with this super fun game I got at Kohl's. Let me show you how to play it. So this game consists of 4 ropes that you arrange into your tic-tac-toe board. And then it has bean bags for the X's and the O's. So it's basically like tic-tac-toe mixed with cornhole or bean bags.
So new rule, it's got to be within the blue tape or else it doesn't count.
Yep.
What do you want? Who's who?
I don't care.
You often lose.
You win. It was pretty fun. I got it on sale, so yeah, I think it's pretty cool. This game retails for $60, but I did get it significantly cheaper than that. I got it for like $10 at Kohl's, and it has 4 ropes, 10 bean bags, and the instructions. It was really fun to play with 2 people, and we did play for, I don't know, probably about 20 or 30 minutes. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. I definitely recommend checking out this TicTacToss game at Kohl's. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.